Hello and welcome to this guide on customizing icons for your Vtiger modules. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to replace the default module icons with your custom designs. Let's get started. First of all, let's take a look at the default icon for the module here. First, create a new icon that represents your module. The recommended dimensions for the icon are 20 pixels by 20 pixels. Make sure your image is in PNG format and named exactly the same as the module, with the first letter capitalized. Once your icon is ready, navigate to the following file path in your CRM directory: CRM root, layouts, V7, modules, modules name. Upload the new icon you just created and save it in the same directory. Finally, hard refresh your Vtiger CRM interface. You'll now see your new custom icon representing the module. And that's it. You've successfully customized the icon for your Vtiger module. Thank you for watching.